Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you that how to set photo as wallpaper in Samsung Galaxy A17. If you're using A17 and you want to set your own photo as your wallpaper, so let's see how can you do that. You just have to open your settings app, then scroll down and look for wallpaper and style, then select change wallpaper, and here you will get your gallery option. You must have to tap on this more option, and here you will get your gallery photos or videos. You can easily select which one you want to set as your own wallpaper. As here is a photo, just tap on it, then tap on done, and here just select which you want to set this on your lock screen or home screen. And I'm going to select only for home screen. Just tap on it, then select next, and here select done. Once you have that, your wallpaper will be successfully changed. If you want to set a video as your wallpaper, just select change wallpaper, then tap on this more option, then select the video which you want to set as your wallpaper, and here select done. So that's how you can easily set photo as your own wallpaper in Samsung Galaxy A17. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.